Hello guys and welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be showing you on the Stripe how you actually start to go to use a Stripe. Okay, first of all, you can start to go to really important to know about something, which is gonna be certainly. So if you really on the home page, you can really see that you already have settings, you have switch sandbox, you have creating account, you can really actually start to go to create originalization. So this could be certainly like if it's going to be available, like going to be gross and things. So really the thing is going about that is about to add a customer, and then you can actually start to go to add your name and email, and this will be about to be certainly going on here on the language, and this going to be continuously starting getting this stuff overall whenever you want. This is going to be really building information, starting with the accent information and shaping information and voice and then other things. Then you're going to completely add the customer. Once you add the customer, you're going to deal with reports, what you really do want to do with a customer, and how you can start to go to earn money by that. As you see, there's some kind of balances here, and then you're gonna see this incoming balance, and you can use some apps by the way overall over this. If you click on overview, you can see the apps, but actually I don't show the app because this should be something not bad but strong a little bit. So that's all about to help you